Hey core class, this is Mr. Allen. Want to just go over a couple things with you. You've got a few more assignments from your blueprint chapter, and then you have a blueprint reading quiz that I want to talk to you about. The final review for chapter 5. I hope you're learning these definitions. A line that establishes the dimensions and parts of a structure always ends in arrows, dots, or slashes is a dimension line. Lines that are perpendicular to the dimension line and connects to the structure, that's an extension line. The main object of primary interest, that's an object line. Lines that identify the specific part of a drawing, they have a note or dimension, some type of note connected, that's a leader line. Measured center of an object is a centered line. This is going right down your Module 5 final test review. Lines that show an object has been broken off the safe space is a break line. Then it gets into property lines and legends. Talks about how to look at the title block first when you study a blueprint. Some of the things the title block contains, the sheet title, the scale, the drawing numbers. They also have most of the time a date and a name. Just a couple of things I wanted to go over with you. That blueprint reading quiz, you're going to be using the blueprints that are the fold out blueprints in your book, okay? And also the blueprint I gave you. Now, if we were at school, I have some really large blueprints for you to use, but NCCER wants you to use these fold outs also, and they are a little hard to read. If you're old like Mr. Allen, you might even need a magnifying glass, but you're all younger than me. Just know when you look at them, look at the title block, they'll help you. They'll have which plan it is. They'll show you which drawing number it is. There's 4 drawings in your book that you can fold out. And each of the questions tells you which drawing you're supposed to be on, okay? And like I said, some of the dimension lines are a little small for an old guy like me. You can probably see them. One other thing, I hope you know a little bit about geography, about how to orient a print. If it has north on it, of course, north is up, south's down, then you know which way east and west is. So make sure you orient it correctly when you're answering these questions. And don't forget, you're going to use this other blueprint that I put in your book for a few of those questions, okay? So that is blueprint reading quiz. You've also got a couple of other assignments to do. If you need me, email me, okay? So that's just a little review of your Module 5 blueprint stuff. I'll see you later, core class.